Today is a very special day for Tom. The sun rises over his home.
It is 7 o'clock in the morning.
Tom wakes up slowly.
I'm still sleepy.
Tom's mom comes into the room.
Good morning, Tom.
Tom smiles at his mom.
Good morning, Mom.
Mom has exciting news for Tom.
Tom, today is your first day at school.
Really?
Tom suddenly feels nervous.
Mom, I feel scared.
Why are you scared, Tom?
What if nobody talks to me?
Don't worry, Tom. Mom tries to make Tom feel brave. You are kind and smart. You will make new friends. Tom starts feeling better.
Okay, Mom.
It is time for Tom to get ready. Come on, Tom, let's get ready. Tom brushes his teeth carefully.
Brush, brush, brush. Tom washes his face and feels fresh. Tom washes his face and feels fresh.
Tom gets ready for school.
You look so handsome, Tom.
Tom looks at himself in the mirror.
Wow, I look great.
It is breakfast time.
Eat well, Tom. You need energy.
Tom eats breakfast, but something is still bothering him.
Mom notices Tom is worried again. Are you still scared, Tom? Tom still feels nervous.
A little.
Mom gives Tom one more important lesson. Just smile and say hello. Tom starts feeling brave again.
I can do it.
Tom and Mom leave for school. Ready to go?
Yes.
They walk to school together.
There are so many kids.
Tom starts feeling nervous again.
Mom.
They finally arrive at school.
Mom, can you stay with me?
I'll come back soon, Tom. Mom gives Tom courage.
Be brave, Tom.
Tom gathers his courage and walks inside.
Okay, I can do this.
Tom enters his classroom for the first time.
Wow.
Good morning, Tom. Class, we have a new student today.
Suddenly, everyone is looking at Tom.
Oh no.
Tom gathers all his courage.
My name is Tom.
Is proud of Tom. Teacher Emma is Tom. Very good, Tom. The class welcomes Tom warmly. Welcome, Tom. Tom finally starts feeling comfortable.
They are nice. Tom goes to his seat.
You can sit there, Tom.
Hi. Tom remembers Mom's advice. Hi.
Tom is making his first friend.
I'm Tom. Sam makes Tom feel welcome. Nice to meet you, Tom.
Tom feels happy and safe now.
Nice to meet you too.
The English lesson begins. Today we will learn a new word. Teacher Emma shows the new word. This word is hello. Teacher Emma asks the class a question. Who can read this word? Sam knows the answer.
Me.
Me! Sam reads the word confidently.
Hello. Hello. Tom decides to try too. Hello.
Teacher Emma hears Tom. Very good, Tom.
Tom feels proud of himself.
I did it.
Lunch break begins.
Lunchtime.
Tom looks for his lunch.
Where is it?
Tom suddenly realizes the truth.
Oh no, I forgot my lunch. Sam notices something is wrong. Tom, what happened? I forgot my lunch at home.
Sam has a kind idea.
You can share my lunch.
Tom is surprised by Sam's kindness.
Really? Really?
Tom feels thankful.
Thank you, Sam.
Sam is happy to help his new friend.
You're welcome. The two boys share lunch together. Tom, this is delicious.
After lunch, it is playground time.
Come play with us, Tom.
Tom feels a little shy again.
I don't know. Come on, Tom. Come on, Tom. It will be fun.
Tom finally joins the game.
This is fun.
The school day comes to an end.
Today was amazing.
Mom is waiting for Tom.
Mom!
Tom gives Mom a big hug. How was your day, Tom?
Yes.
Tom has exciting news to share.
Mom, I made a new friend.
Mom feels very proud of Tom. I'm so proud of you, Tom. But one smile and one friend can change everything.
I can't wait for tomorrow.